Hello everyone. Well, pretty much all the ice is off on the lakes except for the ones that are higher up in the hills, and that's the case here. This is just a tiny little lake, little pond. And there's Chevelle. For all those who don't know Chevelle, she's a little over 15. And this is where I discovered what cold water can do for, well, in this case, a dog. But she was pretty bad last year. She was panting all the time in pain and everything else. And anyways, we started swimming here in this ice cold water, and it was a total game changer. Anyway, yeah, she just swims in the water and sleeps like a baby at night. It really livens her up. You should have seen her eyeballs there when she was in that water. It's cold. You gonna go for a swim? Oh. She's got a big tumor on her butt, but she's way too old to operate on that, so that's just gonna have to stay. Doesn't seem to bother her really. Okay, let's go, girl. Let's go for another swim. Look at her, she's just wound right up. Yesterday we were working on chainsaws all day, so she was a little bit mad at me and a little bit bored, and she kind of plays around. Sometimes she acts like she's in pain. She starts panting, but it's just because she wants me to get off my phone, or she wants us to go play. Oh, look at this. We got some chocolates here. Okay, you ready, girl? You gonna go in there? Don't go too far. I got my steel toe boots on. I won't be able to swim for you here. Okay, here we go. I'll just throw it in a little ways and see if she goes. Pretty cold, eh? Ooh, there you go. Good girl. That just added about 4 years to your life right there, eh? It's so cold. Look at her, eh? And yeah, if you got a dog that's old and it's panting all the time, it's not always just arthritis. It could be a diet. In this case, we had to change her diet right up. She doesn't get much meat at all. Just little bits of meat, and we feed her. I feed her a lot less than I used to, or more times a day, I guess you could say. I don't know what she's got, but oh, she wiped out. I don't know what she's got, but I just treat her like she's got kidney disease and liver disease, all the diseases. Now she's just she can't get up, the poor girl. Hold on here, I'll give you a boost. Oh, get up. Oh, there you go. She's got a bad back leg too, which doesn't help. Are you gonna go in again? That's crazy, crazy cold water. Okay, you ready? There you go. And there actually is fish in here as well. Just little ones, but uh-oh. I really don't want to have to go in and rescue her. Good girl. But yeah, cold water is great for old dogs. Like, it's unbelievable. It's supposed to be really good for us as well. That water's so cold. I'm gonna have to go and keep her moving here and dry her off. She's super cold. That'll be the last swim for tonight, but she'll be good for 2 days now. No panting. She'll be running around like crazy tomorrow. Hey, girl. There you go. Let's see. Oh yeah, you want to play now? Hey, what a goof. She's over 15 and still giving her. Just likes to play, eh? There you go. There you go. There you go. Cold, eh? There you go. Dry it right off there. There you go. There you go. Got a cold bum? Okay, here you go. Here you go. There you go. Well, I got the chainsaws. I got the old Home Hardware Radley over there. And hadn't ran for quite a while. It fired up second pull. And I got the old Husqvarna 285 CD, so we're gonna get them going. And there's a little trail here along the bank. I'm just gonna cut that open so people can walk along the bank there. There's a little bridge across the creek back there. I don't know who did that. Hey, Chevelle? Oh, she's cold. So yeah, I tried planting some little willows and stuff in here to keep people out of this wet spot, just to, you know, but of course people keep driving over it, so maybe I'll have to plant a great big huge tree here. Here's a tree I tried to plant last year, but it didn't take. It died. I don't really know anything about planting trees, but I might have to read up on it here. How to keep your dog alive is basically just cold water and back them off on the meat big time. Like, they just cannot handle that kind of meat protein. Just get their, like, she was getting pretty fat there for a while. And here, girl, I better keep you running, eh? There you go, go get it. And yeah, she was getting pretty big there. But since we've switched it up, she eats probably about 6 times a day, but smaller amounts. I feed her throughout the day. Look at her. I mean, she's in good shape for a dog her age. Hey, girl, you're just cold now. Off. She still pulls good. Come on, girl. You're crazy. You're crazy. Oh, come on. The cold water does wonders. Like, she normally won't run for the ball anymore. I'd have to throw it right close to her, but now she's just been swimming, so she's just giving her. Pain-free, eh, girl? This is what keeps these old dogs going, is just being active. She's lived a whole life of adventures, this dog. She's been on hundreds of them. Literally every one that I've been on. Well, maybe left her at home for maybe 2 or 3, but that was about it. Hey, girl. There it is. There it is. Unbelievable for a $150 chainsaw. That thing works darn good. Chinese 52cc, or I think it's actually 51. 50 or 50 and a half.